59-point increase in less than 2 months. Larry, congratulations. So happy for you. 14 items deleted. 42, 38, 59 points. Here is the update for Larry. I'm so happy for you, man. Bank of America was a charge-off we got removed. CLC, honestly, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's a late payment. Look, 120 days late, 60 days late. It's a lot of late payments. Look, removed. We do repair late payments. We get them off your credit report. Credit One Bank, by the way, you don't want to have that credit card ever. If you have that credit card and you have the aspirations to increase your credit, I'm telling you right now, that's not what you're doing. Close Credit One Bank if you have it, delete it. If you have a negative account with them, it needs to be removed. Hire us to remove it. Is this it? That's the full report as far as now. So as you can see, 14 items deleted, 59-point increase. Imagine if we did that to your score. This guy started, in the low 500s. Now he's almost to 600. We just have to finish the job here and add some more positives, and then he's going to be 700 in no time. If you need credit repair, shoot us a text, 858-252-6053.